Be quiet. Valentine, be quiet. I'm trying to get him on video. Chooch, did you find a new bed? You don't want Agro horning in on your bed? Chooch, is that your space? Chewy, what are you doing?